Are you trying to learn VB.net on Ubuntu and feeling stuck because you can't find any extensions? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into whether Visual Studio Code has built-in support or extensions for VB.net. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're eager to learn a new programming language, but the tools you need just aren't available. Many users face this challenge, especially when working on different operating systems. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user mentioned they're running Ubuntu 17.04 and struggling to find any extensions for VB.net in Visual Studio Code. They even wondered if using a Windows virtual machine might be a better option. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with VB.net support in Visual Studio Code? While VSCode is a powerful editor, it doesn't have native support for VB.net like it does for other languages. However, there are some extensions and workarounds that can help you get started. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share some tips on how to set up your environment for VB.net development on Ubuntu, which you won't want to miss. To begin addressing the user's question, we should first clarify that Visual Studio Code does not have built-in support for VB.net. However, there are some extensions available that can help. The user can search for VB.net extensions in the Visual Studio Code Marketplace. To do this, they should open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar. Once in the Extensions view, the user can type VB.net into the search bar. This will display any available extensions related to VB.net development. If the user does not find suitable extensions, they might consider using a Windows virtual machine. This would allow them to run Visual Studio, which has full support for VB.net. In summary, while Visual Studio Code lacks native support for VB.net, the user can explore extensions or opt for a Windows virtual machine to enhance their development experience. Fun fact: VB.net was originally released in 2002, and it has evolved significantly since then. It's amazing how far programming languages have come, isn't it? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found that there are no VB.net extensions available on the marketplace, only VBScript and VBA. They recommend downloading Visual Studio Community to learn VB.net and develop applications, as it provides a better environment for .NET development. If you prefer using VS Code, they suggest setting up a Windows virtual machine or dual booting. Here's a quick tip. If you decide to go the virtual machine route, make sure to allocate enough resources to it. This will ensure a smoother experience while coding. And there you have it. Whether you choose to find extensions or set up a virtual machine, you can start your VB.net journey on Ubuntu. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments how your coding journey is going.